Hi everyone, welcome to Instagram Marketing Roadmap. I am Charin Shah, your content mentor, and I'm going to be helping you build authority and add at least 10,000 followers organically to your Instagram. Let's start with the first module, which is the creator mindset. And trust me when I say this, 50% of your job is done when your mindset shift has happened. And I'm going to take you all through my journey and how I changed my mindset first. And this is really important to start with for the rest of the modules. Okay, first of all, I never wanted to become a content creator. I always wanted to become a D2C founder, like that was my dream. But before I even had a product, I asked myself just one question: what is the number one goal every founder should even chase first? And the answer was distribution, the audience. So I decided that instead of building the product first, to build attention first. And that is the sole reason I started my first page, which was not shit or lit. It was related to building in public. I started a page by my own name, and I realized after posting 30 reels consistently that no one is really interested in my journey unless I have something to educate on, give value for, or entertain them. And then I took some time off, brainstormed, and came up with shit or lit as a concept. And I took up something that was already trending and implemented it. It was a D2C product review page. In 6 months of start posting consistent reels, I was able to get 10 brand deals closed. I was able to reach 50,000 plus followers, having 20 million impressions, and also did affiliate D2C sales. That was an achievement for me. And here's what my journey really taught me that you all should learn from. The smartest thing in D2C is for any founders to own distribution. Matlab, that is also the most expensive thing a founder can buy, which is your audience and distribution. And you don't have to beg for it if you have your own. There has to be a lot of systems in place because I couldn't myself shoot every day, even though I had a lot of things going on. I wanted to build a business, I was in college, and everything. I needed a system, so I had to create a bulk shoot workflow, and that's how Creator Labs Content OS was born. I realized if I wanted long term income, I needed my own products because affiliate marketing, affiliate sales is good income for short term, but ownership is something that will scale eventually. And lastly, virality doesn't come from luck, it comes from consistency. I had to post 100 days consistently, and when I posted more and more, the algorithm started trusting me more. So this is something that my journey taught me, and you all can too learn from this. Now, coming to part two of my story, after Shitterlit, I started seeing a pattern. Like everywhere I looked, founders, creators were struggling to grow on Instagram. They had great ideas, but no systems, no clarity, and zero consistency. That's when I decided to build my second page, the Content Mentor. And I wanted to really prove that with systems, you don't really need to depend on luck. And here's what happened in just 51 reels. I got 5 million plus views, 18,000 plus followers, mentions and shout outs from Tanmay Bhatt, Think School, Ravya Arora, and Ranveer Alabadya, 1,000 plus people in my private WhatsApp community, and over 7 figure in sales in just 3 months of starting this. Three lessons that you must remember. I have some final takeaways before you kickstart this journey. There are three lessons that you must remember. Always know your why. There will be days when your reel won't perform, there will be views dropping, you'll question everything. Your why is what will keep you consistent when nothing else works. Second, be ready to be nerdy for 100 days. No matter what happens, I will keep creating. This should be your mantra. No validation is required, no overthinking, just content creation. Because those who can stay consistent through the silences are the ones that win the noise. Third, improve just 1% every reel. Stop chasing perfection, like chase progress. Your reel has to just be 1% better every single time than your previous reel as well. Better lighting, better hook, better energy, that is all that is required. And ending note, you don't need to go viral today. You just need to show up today, because consistency doesn't build reach, it builds identity. So there's a homework that I have for you guys. Now this sheet is going to remain throughout the module. So all you have to do is click on this link, and all you have to do is open that link, go to file, make a copy, and it will open a new copy in a new tab. And you have to just keep this sheet consistent throughout your different modules. Every module will have some homework exercise that needs to be done, and the first one is there are 4 tasks that you have to do, which is define your why. And trust me, if you do this step by step, it's really going to help you throughout your content creation journey, and it will really give you more clarity as well. So it will take some time, but remove that time and do it genuinely. It makes a difference. Start with task 1, define your why. I'm creating content because, right? How many ever reasons you have, fill it in. How much ever space you want, just fill it in. Task 2, you need to make sure that you have this written somewhere in your room or your notepad. Even if I get 0 views, I'll create 100 days straight. Third task, you need to journal the 1% progress. Every reel you post, rate yourself out of 10 and write down on hook, delivery, energy, editing, clarity, what needs to be improved and why. Track that in your progress or your Notion or a document or Excel sheet that you can create for that. And after every 10 reels, review your scores and see how you're actually improving 1% every time. And task 4 is optional, but I would strongly recommend everyone to do this, because if you've taken this step to do it, might as well don't leave any loopholes. Record a 30-second short video of yourself. Don't post it. It's okay. This is day 1 of my 100-day journey, and I'm doing this because of so and so reason. And rewatch this after 3 months. You'll see how far you've come, and you see the progress you've made. That is all for this module. See you all in the next video. Thank you.